Ever stared up at a rainbow and wondered if it was more than just a beautiful arc of light and water? What if I told you that in ancient mythology, a rainbow wasn't just a weather phenomenon, but a shimmering bridge connecting the mortal realm to the heavens? Today, we're diving deep into the captivating world of Norse mythology to unravel the mystery behind one of its most iconic images, the Bifrost. Why is it called the Bifrost? What secrets lie within this legendary bridge of light and color? Before we answer that, let's set the stage. Imagine a cosmos vastly different from our scientific understanding. A world where gods and goddesses dwell in celestial realms, giants and mythical creatures roam vast landscapes, and humans inhabit Midgard, our Earth. Connecting these realms was no easy feat. It required something extraordinary, something divine. Enter the Bifrost. Described in ancient Norse texts like the Poetic Edda and the Prose Edda, the Bifrost wasn't just any bridge. It was a magnificent structure, often depicted as a vibrant rainbow, stretching from Midgard up to Asgard, the home of the Aesir, the principal group of Norse gods and goddesses. Think of it as the ultimate cosmic highway, a shimmering pathway used by the gods to travel between their heavenly abode and the world of humans. So, why this particular name? The name Bifrost itself holds a clue. It's derived from Old Norse words. The first part, bi, can be interpreted in a few ways, often linked to the idea of trembling or shimmering. Imagine the vibrant colors of a rainbow constantly shifting and dancing across the sky. That sense of movement and ethereal beauty could be part of the name's origin. The second part, frost, might seem a little counterintuitive given the rainbow imagery. However, some scholars suggest it could relate to the idea of a fortified road or shining pavement. Perhaps the ancient Norse saw the rainbow not just as fleeting colors, but as a strong, almost crystalline pathway across the sky. Another interpretation links frost to the idea of something grand and imposing, reflecting the Bifrost's significance as the sole connection between realms. Therefore, Bifrost could be understood as the shimmering bridge, the trembling road, or even the shining pathway. Each interpretation captures a different facet of this mythical structure, its visual brilliance, its vital function, and its almost otherworldly nature. But the Bifrost was more than just a pretty sight. It was heavily guarded by Heimdall, the all-seeing and all-hearing god. Stationed at the edge of Asgard, Heimdall kept watch for any threats to the gods, particularly the giants who might try to breach their heavenly fortress. He was the sentinel of the Bifrost, ensuring the safety and sanctity of the divine realm. The sagas also foretell the dramatic end of the Bifrost during Ragnarok, the twilight of the gods. In this cataclysmic final battle, the fiery giant Surt is prophesied to shatter the Bifrost, signaling the ultimate destruction and rebirth of the cosmos. This dramatic role in the Norse eschatology further underscores the Bifrost's profound significance in their mythology. It wasn't just a bridge, it was a vital artery connecting the divine and mortal worlds, and its destruction marked a pivotal moment in their cosmic narrative. So, the next time you see a rainbow arcing across the sky, take a moment to appreciate its beauty and perhaps even imagine it as the legendary Bifrost, the shimmering bridge of the gods, a testament to the rich and imaginative world of Norse mythology. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.